On the banks of the vast Lingding Ocean stands a city with the Unhabitat Scroll of Honor Award. It is the hometown of Mr. Sun Yat-sen, a great man of a generation. Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, where there is Shilan Town, a famous underwear production base in China, and Zhongshan Best Garments Co. Limited, is a leading enterprise in China's underwear production base, mainly producing knitted clothing such as underwear and pajamas. In 2009, when the company was established, it has been strictly abiding by the BSCI code, and has passed its certification. With its commercial success and growing reputation in China and around the world, the company has continued to grow and has a production area of 30,000 square meters. The company has more than 1,000 employees, including 800+ production staff, 70+ management staff, and 50+ sales staff. In addition, the company also has a top-level design team of more than 10 people, all of them being innovative, keen-thinking and visionary, always paying attention to the world's technology and innovation, and brings the most fashionable and latest original designs for children and adults into life. Unique patterns, exquisite stripes, and the latest production technology make each piece of underwear attractive and comfortable. It is very popular in Europe, America, Oceania and many other countries, and orders for customized designs are endless. At the same time, Zhongshan Best Garments Co. Limited pays great attention to the investment in equipment, and has introduced a large number of fully automated tailoring equipment, with a complete range of equipment and an annual production capacity of more than millions of pieces, which can satisfy customers even with a small quantity demand in the fastest way. In the production process, Zhongshan Best Garments Co. Limited focuses on quality management and insists on using environment-friendly cotton fabrics. Its printing, sewing, and raw material quality, as well as for needle-stick sewing textiles, have always adopted international quality standards. All products must pass the test of sensitive sources and carcinogenic dyes, withstand pressure and shrinkage tests, and pass several international certifications, such as OEKO-TEX, SGS, GOTS, FSC, etc. After more than 10 years of development, the sales channels of Zhongshan Best Garments Co. Limited have been rapidly expanded, and it has become a leader in the field of men's, women's, children's underwear and pajamas made in China. We are looking forward to your cooperation and joining in to create brilliance in the field of underwear and pajamas.